This is Richie's Radio Room.
Hello everyone. If you ever needed or just wanted to know how accurate your voltmeter is, this little device is just what you need. It's the Axico Ad584 High Precision DC Voltage Reference Module. It sells for about $12, and you can find it and other variations of it on Amazon, eBay, and other sites. At the heart of the circuit board is the Ad584, an 8-pin precision voltage reference chip. Its voltage range is between 5 to 30 volts, but if it's used at the 10 volt range, you need to provide at least 12 to 30 volts. You can use either a 5.5 millimeter DC barrel jack with a positive center pin or a 15 volt battery. The 15 volt battery costs more than the Ad584 itself, and it's not really needed. You set the 4 different voltage ranges with 2-pin jumper caps. To operate it, give it between 12 to 30 volts DC and plug your test probes into the test holes. The little wire rings are used to clip your test probe alligator clips onto. As you can see, my ON XDM1041 digital multimeter, which has been highly calibrated, is showing spot on. So if you were thinking of buying one of these, I'd say go ahead. You won't be sorry.
This is Richie's Radio Room.
This has been a Fat Cam production.